Hello guys, today I want to show you how to block ads in Microsoft Edge. So first let's open Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots here. Head over to Settings. Click on Privacy Search and Services on the left side. But if you don't find it, just search here. Type in Privacy Search and Service. Click on it. Now, head over to Set Permissions. Now, click on All Permissions. Now, head over to Pop-up and Redirects. Make sure this is toggled on. So, this is blocked right now. So, we can also add specific sites to block, for example. So here I allowed these two sites to send ads, but I can block them also. So, just block them. And here, you successfully disabled ads in Microsoft Edge. And that's it, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.